Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can find marketplace on your Facebook. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version, and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's jump right in. Open up the Facebook app, and here you can see on the navigation or the customize bar, the fourth one is the marketplace options. You just simply tap here and you will be able to find the marketplace. If you are unable to find that marketplace bar right here at the very top, you have to go to the menu icon and tap right here